Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making chicken pot pie. It's my first time making it, but I found an easy recipe on Pinterest, so I'm gonna go ahead and try that. Sorry if you can hear my laundry. But right now it is currently 6 degrees, and snowing, which I'll insert a clip here, but I thought it would be perfect time to make chicken pot pie. I already had it planned on our weekly recipe thing. So I just moved into my bathroom because it has a little bit better lighting. But I have all the ingredients but put out on my table. So I'm gonna go ahead and share that, and then we can go ahead and get started. And as always, with any recipes that I make, I will put the link to the exact recipe in the description box. So go ahead and check that out if you wanna make it. Okay, so the recipe called for salt, pepper, garlic powder, thyme, chicken, shredded chicken, which I just made in the crock pot earlier, pie crust, mixed veggies, frozen mixed veggies to be exact, flour, chicken stock, Worcestershire sauce, butter, which I don't know why this is in here, and then I got these like temporary ramekins. They're not ramekins, but they're like chicken pot pie thingies, you know, so they're gonna work. But this is everything you need. Okay, so it is a couple days later, and what do you think of the chicken pot pie?
It's really good.
yeah, I'm definitely gonna make it again sometime soon, and it was really, really good. But I just wanted to hop on here and say that it turned out great and that we're gonna make it again and that you really liked it. So, yep, tell everybody to like this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see ya in the next one.
See you next time.
Bye!